Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the ringtone volume on iOS 26. To adjust the ringtone volume, go to the settings. Now, this is gonna be the first method, but later on you'll learn a second one. So, in the settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and now find ringtone and alerts slider. You can simply adjust it to whatever you like, but also you can enable change with buttons, and that will let you use the volume rockers not only to change the media volume like the music or video playback, call volume, like within a call that's actually happening right now, and some other things, but also will let you change the ringtone and alerts volume, but this will only work when there's no media being played right now. So if you are playing music currently, then changing the volume will change this music's volume. But if you don't play any video nor music nor any like TikTok or something, then you will change the ringer volume. And of course, if you're playing some media, then you'll be changing the media volume. And I hope that the video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.